Our AD-HEMOSTOP project is a project about how to save lives. More particular, how to stop bleeding. The bleeding that causes during surgery and emergency situation. Every year in Europe, there are 2 million people die due to bleeding, and we are going to solve this problem. We expected to use materials that call hydrogen and innovative techniques that call electrospinning that allow us to produce highly porous materials for bleeding control.
For the new material to be fully developed, it's very essential to test also the safety and efficacy. And what we do here, we first start with the safety tests. So it's biocompatibility, it's cytotoxicity that we test on the animal and human cell lines. And what is very important also the blood clotting activity and hemolysis. And then we move on with the functional tests, where in a cell lines, in a laboratory setting, we prove that the material actually works and how it works, and to choose the best versions of the material to move forward to the animal studies.
In parallel to scientific activities planned within this project, we will also carry out several commercialization-related activities and tasks. First of all, we'll carry out in-depth market research to understand the positioning and also competitive environment we are competing with and other solutions existing out there. Then we'll also make sure that the technology is sufficiently protected from intellectual property perspective, so that we don't share too much, but also make sure that we can get sufficient feedback from the market when reaching out to industry partners and also corporates. And finally, we will conclude project with the development of a commercialization strategy that will enable us to understand better how we commercialize the innovation.